Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so to recap this video, you guys know that I thrifted a Longchamp Le Pliage Neo for like, I don't know, I think it was like $10. Also, I wanted to kind of make an announcement. I think I'm going to just upload daily for the members because, you know, they are members for a reason. They support the channel financially, so they deserve daily uploads. And I'm just going to upload whenever I want on the main channel just because I feel like nobody's commenting, and like there are people commenting, don't get me wrong, they are the true people who are like watching, following, commenting, and I appreciate that 100%. But when the videos don't hit 1,000 views and comments are lackluster, likes are lackluster, to me it's not worth it. I mean, I don't even make that much money off of YouTube anymore anyway. So if the views and comments don't pick up, I'm sorry, but I'm just going to upload daily on the members portion and just upload whenever I want on the regular side of things, because to me that just makes more sense for me anyway, and for people who are watching, because I don't know. And also I feel like it's doing a lot of work for not a lot of reward, and let's get it twisted, I'm not doing this for fun. I'm doing it to make money. So anyway, just an announcement. And it was damaged, but I contacted Longchamp and they replaced it for free. So they fixed the damage on it. I'll insert some pictures of what the damage looked like before handing it in. And then I asked them to replace the handles because they were like flopping over, and which I didn't like with Longchamp. Like with Longchamps, I like the handles to be erect and stiff. But finally got it back. I think it's been over 6 weeks since we mailed it out. Oops. We got a Starbucks today. Okay. Well, I see that they didn't repair the strap, I mean the handle. The handle's still this, what? This is not authentic? Unauthentic Longchamp product. How is this not authentic? How is this not authentic? I think they're wrong. See, why would they like say it's not authentic when they asked for a picture of this to begin with? Okay, my whole thing is like I'm just really mind boggled. The fact that they say it's unauthentic. Is it just a really good fake? Like, look, it says right there, unauthentic. How is this not authentic? Let's go over the bag. There. Even like the button right here says Primark on, or Prim Original. They have to be wrong. They have to be wrong. Longchamp Model de Pose. This is right. It has that. How is this not an authentic bag? I don't understand. Like, look at this. Look at that tag. Like, I thought I knew my Longchamp. Even like the nylon feels right. I'm actually flabbergastedly shocked. I feel like they're wrong. Like, you guys, are there any Longchamp experts out there? Because this, to me, is real. I'm flabbergasted. I've owned real Longchamp. I used to buy them like freaking at the store. So this just really boggles my mind to the core. I don't know. I'm shook. I'm shook. Anyway, yeah. Like, I filled out this form right here, and okay, it's been over a month. Yeah, I sent it out September 4th. And it comes back as an authentic Longchamp product. I am flabbergasted because this to me looks 100% real. Well, maybe feeling it now, maybe the nylon is off. I don't know, guys. But I felt nylon like this before, and it's always thick with the fake ones. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say.